Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, a realm often shrouded in misconception and fear. Today, we'll embark on a journey to demystify AI and debunk some common myths surrounding this transformative technology. Our goal is to empower you with knowledge, replacing anxiety with understanding. Artificial intelligence is not some futuristic fantasy. It's already woven into the fabric of our daily lives. From the mundane to the extraordinary, AI influences how we work, communicate, and interact with the world. Our exploration begins by examining these myths one by one. By understanding the true nature of AI, we can harness its power for good and shape a future where humans and machines work together in harmony. Let's begin our journey to demystify AI and embrace the future it holds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI.
Think again. The notion that AI will render human labor obsolete is a pervasive and often exaggerated fear. Instead of replacing jobs entirely, AI is more likely to transform them, augmenting human capabilities and creating new opportunities. Think of AI as a powerful assistant, taking over repetitive tasks and freeing up human workers to focus on more creative and strategic endeavors. Consider the example of radiologists using AI-powered tools to analyze medical images. AI algorithms can quickly identify patterns and anomalies, allowing radiologists to dedicate more time to complex cases and patient interaction. In manufacturing, robots equipped with AI are not replacing human workers but collaborating with them. Robots handle physically demanding and repetitive tasks, while humans oversee operations, troubleshoot problems, and ensure quality control. The emergence of AI is also giving rise to entirely new professions, offering exciting career paths for future generations. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights on AI and technology. Not anymore. The belief that AI is only accessible to tech experts is a misconception that limits its potential. AI is becoming increasingly user-friendly, with intuitive interfaces and readily available tools that empower individuals from all walks of life. From voice assistants on our smartphones to personalized recommendations on streaming platforms, AI is seamlessly integrated into our daily routines. Seniors, often perceived as less tech-savvy, are benefiting from AI-powered applications that enhance their quality of life. Smart home devices can automate tasks, monitor health, and provide companionship, promoting independence and well-being. AI-powered translation tools break down language barriers, connecting people across cultures and generations. Personalized learning platforms adapt to individual student needs, providing customized content and feedback. The rise of no-code AI platforms empowers individuals with little to no coding experience to build their own AI applications. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights on AI and technology. Does AI have feelings? Decoding the emotional enigma of AI. While AI can mimic human emotions through sophisticated algorithms, it's crucial to understand that these simulations are not genuine feelings. AI systems are programmed to recognize and respond to human emotions, but they do not experience emotions themselves. Think of it as a skilled actor portraying a character. The performance is convincing, but the emotions are not real. AI chatbots, for example, can engage in conversations that appear empathetic and understanding. They analyze the user's input and generate responses that reflect the appropriate emotional tone. However, this does not mean the chatbot is experiencing genuine empathy. It is simply following programmed instructions. The ability of AI to simulate human emotions is a testament to its advanced capabilities. But it's crucial not to confuse simulation with reality. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on AI and technology. The rise of the machines, separating fact from fiction. The dystopian vision of AI taking over the world and enslaving humanity is a popular theme in science fiction, but it's far from the reality of current AI development. AI systems are tools created and controlled by humans. We define their purpose, set their parameters, and ultimately determine their impact on society. Ethical guidelines and regulations are being developed to ensure responsible AI development and deployment.
Researchers and policymakers are working together to address potential risks and ensure that AI benefits humanity. The focus of AI research is on creating systems that augment human capabilities, not replace them. By collaborating with AI, we can amplify our collective intelligence and create a more sustainable and equitable future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on AI and technology. Embracing the future with AI, a partnership for progress. Artificial intelligence is not a threat to be feared, but a powerful tool to be embraced. By understanding the true nature of AI, separating fact from fiction, we can unlock its transformative potential. AI is not here to replace us or control us. It's here to help us, augment our abilities, and create a better future. The journey to understand AI is an ongoing process. As AI continues to evolve, it's essential to stay informed, engage in critical thinking, and participate in the conversation about its ethical implications. Curiosity, not fear, should guide our exploration of this transformative technology. By embracing collaboration, fostering innovation, and prioritizing ethical considerations, we can harness the power of AI to build a more just, sustainable, and prosperous world for all. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on the future of AI and technology.